What's going on, everybody? Welcome back to my channel. Welcome back to the journey. Today I got another day trading video for you guys this morning. It is the morning of Friday, August 18th. um, September contract 2000 tick interval chart. So yeah, here we go. This is what the market looks like the past couple of days. As you can see, we've just been going down this whole week. Huge downtrend. If you went onto the day chart, you'll see it's a fat dip. Um, but yeah, it's just pretty much how this market's been. Kind of choppy each kind of day, but overall, it's just going down. Um, and we kind of have the same story today. We did get a little bump up, but overall, it started going back down. So I'm not too sure what it did after this morning, but this is what I got so far. But yeah, let's get into it all sped up, and I'll show you what I took today. I did make a trade today, one singular trade. Um, I'll show you what I did, but let's just go through, see what I see, and yeah. So yeah, this is how it kind of started out. Um, this has been the theme like, each day. It like trades down, and then when it opens, it like seems like it's going up in an uptrend. This happened literally yesterday. Kind of weird. Marked a second entry long right there. It looked like a nice spot to enter. You got the first entry and then your second entry. I didn't have anything marked yet, but that would have been a good one. You can see it lined up perfectly with my train channel that I just placed. That would have been a good one to touch 3 times. I probably just out of signal bar is a little whack, but I think I would have taken that. Um, it seemed like a good spot, and we needed to get a new extreme anyway for our previous channel, and it eventually did that. So that would have been a good one to trade. I was thinking about it, but I literally just got on, and I thought it was too early. So I was like, you know what, whatever, you know. Um, but yeah, if you guys took that trade, let me know. I'm kind of curious. There also was another second entry long right there. I almost went into that one, but was still kind of scared because it was outside of my trend line that I drew, and it started kind of trading sideways. So I just didn't mess with it, but maybe someone else might have taken that who's more experienced in price action trading. That's just another thing. I'm still learning, guys, so don't take my word for it. I'm not like a teacher. I'm just posting my journey and my trading journey. But if you guys really want to learn price action and what I've been learning and studying, go to Thomas Wade or Pat's Price Action Trading System by Mac. They're the guys that I'm learning from. So if you really want to learn price action, go listen to them. That's who I'm trying to follow, and that's where I try to go. I study their charts after I do mine. But yeah, that's what I had so far. And then I had like a glitch in my computer. It like kind of shut down, so it just kind of jumped. Yeah, I had to restart it, but so I had to cut there. But you can see it went to like this range, traded up, then went back down, and now we're here. Now we're getting close to my trade of the day that I took. I believe this was a second entry short. We got our first entry down right there, and then it traded up, and now I'm just waiting for the second entry. I got a fat. Honestly, this is a fat bar. Plus, we need a new extreme because it did break our channel. So I figure this is going to be a good one. We had a ton of room. So I'm like, I'm entering this thing before it even creates the first bar, which typically you don't want to do. You want to wait till it breaks above the bar, but it didn't do that yet. So I just kind of sent anyway. I thought I was kind of scared because I thought it was going to go back down and screw me over. But it didn't. It ended up getting a lot of momentum, and it pushed forward. And we got that trade. Unfortunately, we couldn't get my runner. I don't know what it is. Like maybe I put it too early where my stop is, but every time I go to drag my runner to my stop to break even, it always goes back and closes it out. If you guys have any suggestions on what to do about that, please let me know down in the comments. It'd be greatly appreciated. If there's background noise too in my mic, it's because someone's mowing their lawn literally right outside, so I apologize for the noise. But yeah, after that, I really didn't take anything else. I did mark, I think, a couple more trades. There's also a second entry I think a couple second entry longs and shorts. But it was honestly kind of confusing to read today at first, because we got like the uptrend, and then we had a break, kind of traded sideways for a bit, and then it went back down. So I just put like it as a little range, because it was kind of going back off this these resistance points. So I was kind of treating it like a range, and then now my okay, I had to end the old recording because the lawnmowers got too loud, but we're back over here, back into it. So yeah, from here on out, it really didn't do much. It dipped below. I made a new low, and then I was kind of shocked because I was expecting, we never got a new extreme for that channel that I wrote to the that I drew to the left, and we never really got that new extreme until honestly, right here is where it honestly confused me, because it just shot up, went down, then shot up again, and then it did eventually make that new extreme and make that new high. And yeah, that was pretty much it. And then when I did that, it was pretty much time for me to go to the gym, because it was 5 a.m. and I only trade for an hour a day. Well, not an hour and a half. Get up at 3:30 and then trade until 5. But yeah, that was pretty much it, guys. If you enjoyed today's video, please leave a like, leave a comment, and subscribe. Anything you guys want to say, just leave it in the comments. I always like looking and see what people say. And yeah, I hope everybody that traded today made some good trades, made some money. And this weekend, I'm going to try to push out a video of me explaining some of my losses and why I lost. Just one, I want to do that because just to see where I failed, and then you can see where others have failed, and why not to take those trades, because it helps me practice, and then hopefully gives some value to you guys too, so you can see, don't do what I did because it doesn't make any sense. But yeah, anyways, I hope everybody has a great and blessed day, and I'll see everybody in the next one. Peace.